Welcome to Tip of the Month. My name is Christian and I'm Head of Support at Emply. With Tip of the Month, we'll try to share some great tips and tricks in the platform for you guys. This month, we'll cover screening of candidates so you can efficiently sort through the list of applicants that you get. Let's get started. As you can see, I've been looking for a support consultant for this year. When I built the application form, I asked the candidates a couple of questions regarding their skill levels in different areas. For example, I asked them their Danish writing and speaking skills, same for English, their technical knowledge, and then I figured it would be fun to add if they have any Emply experience in there. If I go to the filter section and then screening, I'm now able to assign points for the different attributes. So excellent means a score of 5, very good means a score of 4, and good means a score of 3. And now the system sorts the candidate for me. It seems like we have a candidate that ticks all the boxes, but I think I'm going to broaden my search a little bit and remove the Emply experience here. Now I have 2 great candidates, and I know exactly where to start with Corbin and Lara, and then moving down the list. I hope you found this tip useful. For more information, visit our help center and search for screen candidates. If you have a good suggestion as to what we should cover next, send us an email at marketing@emply.com. See you next time.